Today we will see how some people they do something that we cannot even imagine of doing. How they perform such remarkable feats. And there is no denying fact. Nowadays when we talk about internet we say there is infinite intelligence. Of course that is artificial, that is stored in hard drives of computers. They are interconnected and whatever we ask, we get the answer. Same way, every one of us has got that hard drive. And every one of us can connect to hard drives of others also for sharing our intelligence, that we can say subconscious mind, or in any other name we say inner voice or conscience or creative imagination, whatever you say. But the fact is that if you read about great people, you may see they have got very humble, modest beginning. They were not so much educated, but how they could do so much in their lives. You see any biography of a writer, musician, artist. Can you imagine a person writing 200, 300, 400 books? And you see the books, how many pages? How these things are possible? How one artist can create so many paintings, hundreds of them, and all are, you can say, that we cannot even think of making. Many musicians, many singers creating, histories. And that is possible with us also. If we can connect to our subconscious mind, if we can connect to creative intelligence, if we can connect to our inner voice, or we can make some kind of connection to our conscience. And for that, the remarkable thing is that you do not require anything to do. Just sitting silent, concentrating upon that inner thing and drawing inspirations always. Generally, whenever we have doubt, we search Google, we go to internet. There is one internet, CIN is there inside us also. One that is outside, that is artificial. Something that we have got that is natural, that is always with us. Its server is never down. Its connection is never insecure. It is always with us and it is always with all of us. What we nowadays call educated or uneducated, there is nothing like this. Everybody has got that hard drive. The person who is able to make that connection, you call them great. Those who are not able to do that, they die as commoners. So you cannot say that I do not have that kind of thing. Everything, as you see in the case of internet, is available. Same way, everything is available to you from within. Any question you can get answer from yourself. And if you concentrate with this subconscious mind, with this powerful hard drive of yours. The remarkable thing is you can concentrate and contact and connect to hard drives of others also, just like internet. Just go for it and see the effects. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Enjoy yourself. May God bless us all.